BJP na Meghalaya ia kekinhon bali ikenduk yung menteri nak pilih putri ke soal kapten udah mendra pradhan halor kenram ke sekolah Pak NEHU. Kerman ka seng BJP banyo ia ke job hak election shiteng samoy hak Gambegre. Bat penkrek ke Shillong Lajong ia ke jengilek kai ke beding kong ha ke I-League arhajar arpisan persya ke Churchill Brothers ha ke sengible. Ki kubor ki bebnya. Ka seng BJP na Meghalaya kala krek banyalam ia ke kenhun banet Shah New Delhi banyak kedua ia menteri ke nak pulih putih ke Sarkar Pedeng udah mendra pradhan banyak kren ia ki jeng jong ke North Eastern Hill University. Haba penting naik ni unong tauan jok BJP na Meghalaya bodu menteri ke kenhun menteri uba ALH la penting bo un salet che Delhi ka art pesau trek mentau benai komsi benta jok ke kenhun jok seng BJP ke jela haka juk ke por unong aiktin ke seng BJP uba M khakrang ulaong ba kani ke jenglet ke penpau ke jengdon kam ke bekerke na ke benta ben weng ye ki jeng bat benwat ki lat ke lenti ben penbet ya baro ki kenrum kenram ki bede ki samla puli jong ke NEHU.
I've already asked the office of the Honorable Education Minister. So they have assured me from the office that he will be available on those days. So definitely if they give me a time on the 24th, well and good. If not 25th, 26th also, I am there in Delhi to brief for the NEHU issue. And also at the same time, I have already told our Pravahari also.
Delhi has always whatever appointments they have given all and to various maybe public sector undertakings or whatever, they always look at the first thing is that efficiency of the person and all. And if this is happening in NEHU, then it's not a good sign, but definitely the government will definitely take action and ensure that NEHU comes back to what it was in the earlier past.
Kaseng BJP na Meghalaya kala kentat ya ki jeng keno bakila persang ban pengia ya ke North East Hill University ban penklan ya ke rukom perkat jongki. Unong akitin kaseng BJP uba Amaria Home Kharkarang ulaong bakini ki jeng keno kimdei ban yalam bakla na marba ka Sarkar Pedeng kala thung katkum ke jeng tre ke jongki. Hindre ulaong balada ki jeng keno ki long ki besisha katkum ta kum kini kimdei ban jabat kelempep ke Sarkar kan shimkia ban penpai biang ya ke buram ke belajar jong ke skul ba. Na kaliang ka seng Kongres kala keno baka seng BJP ke persang ban kurup ya ke tega jaka ki jengmu je perkhat jong ka da ke betung ki brief shimet ki bedon ke jingedei ke bejan bat ki RSS bat ke seng BJP ha ke tega skul ba.
And find out what exactly is happening on NEHU and right from the party itself also we have taken up the issue. Bahag has taken up the issue with Delhi in writing and probably shortly you might find us going with the delegation to Delhi also for the NEHU issue and these allegations which have been made by some of the politicians and all, I think these are wild allegations and not something to be taken seriously of.
Ka KHDC kan penlong ya ka election na ka benta wahadadar jong ka Shella confederacy ha ka khatlai terik uno opera mentau snem bat la pentip ya kan ni do deputy CM ba dekmi ka tanat ilaka uba pensngan NCM ka kenhun jong ka Shella ka belaya lam da urang ba snong jongka uba SF Sarubai habe krem bagi la pathai khubor uba Sarubai ulai thu ba ka jeng thap kerteng kan long ka apu praterik mentau benai nai wing kat ba ka tarik na kabenta ka election labo ban penlong ka khatlai tarik uno opera nadu ko por khandai biji min step
ong pa yangi kadai kata ka khatlai tarik ka ba ka Shella confederacy hagabau hunu hajar jong ka Shella confederacy kinyo ya kata ka election
ada ka claim of election do July kidang ka to ni complaint la dispose it complaint barila rai ban file ya ka nomination kadai ha ne shuwa jong arpratrik jong benai November barka scrutiny ki nomination paper kanong haga arpratrik jong benai barka election la pandai bakanong khatlai trik jong benai December
Ka Joint Action Committee ka bami khmat ke Shillong Umper ampang gre bat matcho gre kelapan long ka jingyat pat ba ne ka ski da ka bayat pat ba na do ka ying dor bar ha Umper ha do ka tanat Soil and Conservation Training Institute ha bernihat ka jingke ki ka long kum ka jing persha ya ka jing tmu ban seng karkhana thama ha bernihat ka ba kata ki nong song snong kumta ki nong song kilapan pau ka jing so kya halor ka rai blashim klem ka jing menjur jong ki dor bar snong da ka bapin ksan ya ka jing sim kya jong ki bania dai ka mariang bat ka jing kata ka bala ban mi na ka mariang saudong jong ki
Came to this conclusion like today we had a meeting right now that means we'll oppose against the setup of industrial state and we have taken a decision like we'll take an appointment to meet the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Honorable Sangma, so that after that we'll discuss regarding this industrial state with all our NGOs and our 3 villages, headman and secretary and all the leaders from the Bernihat Citizen Forum plus Joint Action Committee and Mahila Union and all the youth leaders also will work together and will go ahead and meet the Chief Minister regarding the industries.
Kat bakis ngi nyo vote ya kasuki shaging dor bar thau an jong ka Gambegre klanang jan ka seng BJP ka jalak lapan pau ba ka jinglong jingman jong ka jing thap vote ka pen I ba ka don ka lat bat kini ka jing job haba pen ken mau ya ka jing elap election jong u na ka benta ka election chiteng samoy u menteri ka ken hun menteri bat u nong thau an jong ka seng BJP u ba elhek u laong ba ki pat ba ki thrang bha ban ngap ying yi bat kumta ka BJP ka yeng ha ka lat ban job ha ka ni ki election ka BJP ka peniang yu MDC jong ketura badu balong u Vice President jong ke Jela u Bernard and Marak na ka benta ka suki Gambegre.
Constituency and also the winnability of the perspective. We also told you yesterday when we sat for the meeting, we are also the same concern of is a beginning of the preparation only for the MDC election.
Ka jingbam song shngan ha kari marjan kata kari Bangladesh kala penduna shibo ni ka jing shalan tu ye ki masi hasilenter ka jaka ka bajangai kumba south pa south lai kilometer jong ka kaput Indo Bangladesh ka bah Meghalaya umentri beripet ya katana ri jing ri uba el hek ulong bakat kum ka jing tep ka jong u nadu balas dang ki jingbam song suk hari Bangladesh ki jing khayi tu ki masi kilanang hiar namar kani ka jinglong jingman kinong diep kinong thiet ru kladuna ulak kedawru bakatana custom ki pulit ki sipai pahara kaput ki BSF kidang sim kia bene kun persya ikni ki jing ha ka babun ki mukot duma kidang don menta hapok ki ying bisa jongkaan.
Yesterday also he told me regarding the same thing. We should continue discussion for to solving the border dispute in the state of Meghalaya.
Ka sengki nong dia jing dia madan hapok ka Shatri jong ka Meghalaya Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association hinin ka singila penlong da ka jing ya pat ba kan dailat sha ka shlem terekam jong ka Shillong Municipal Board ban persya ka jing tmu jong ka sarkar jela ban penkerya yaki kumba ka pau ka sarkar jela ka latmu ban penkerya no ikinong dia madan na khandailat sha ka jaka ka balat lut nakaliang kinong di madan kilapan pau ka jing solingo kumno ka sarkar kan ailat kinong di madan ban kinria sa kajaka jo ka MTC ha blate ka ying ka bahe pat ka baremdor
Rahidal dangin wan chani po municipal na marbahan ni kidon kita gimumbar jong ka TBC ro markitip khambha maki lada dadai daw tao po lapan ni art kusaw tarik bang bandan yani balay na kalian ka municipal kamla ta bane ya di phaja kata na marbakadon ha ka TBC mar mauli undon ka TBC
kepada ka yang jangka TBC merupakan SIM Klo ya karai KKA ban pendet ya kata institusi survey ban I license bat ban yapet yang kita jaka hanau balong bat hanau bamlong.
Kanongpo Region Auto Owners and Drivers Association kala ujor persya adung ya unong ya lamberim jongka u Marcus Martin but u W Makri halor ka jing pendon kam baklai ka kerteng jongka klem kanu ka jing yo jingbet unong ya lambe minta u banasar lingdo nong laj but u Ilian B ten song gila banjur bakum kani ka jing ja kalong be an but shim don kanu ka jing yo jingbet na kaliang jongka senjok
Kam yang bermarkus Martin kum presiden, une uwan makri kum sekretari, pada dua kena sengi maham mardar, ba umdai su bandang kam presiden lan sekretari dak bro, udah ban sange no mardar, udah ban sange ru haga lang jinglum khajna ngaju, haga jingling ngataj ko tesu ngim khang kata ga jingku asusun jungu dak pat ndai, umdai ban sim pat ngara ga juga kertan ga bangela dengan government kala itu ingi.
Te nagaliang jongi somodong kum ne ba nadu katung la maham ba une presiden lan sekretari lan isi jango baro bakin dai shu bankam yale de kum presiden kum sekretari berkum kinong kirkam jo kana session ndre hadu menta ngayu kapasusi kalong bo udang pen ibor hadu menta te nagalia dingi somodong shisndan menta direct indong yo ba menta ngin le daga kam ga batang ya bha
ka Khasi Author Society nen kasi kalapan long ya Kalimpong Writers Conclave dan Kalimpong kinong thokot Khasi ha Sosotham Auditorium kumshi bentaman rakhe ka jan jatiya Gaurav Divas hakate ka jingelang lapan long ka jingmir jigmut ka pabnya alor ka phang ka bawat ka jinglong tunrai jong ki Khasi ya kan ka jingelang lapan long kumshi bentaman rakhe bat burami ki jingno sinyang bakodor jong ki jat ban riu lom jong kari India khamtam haka jingya kun lat lu jong ka jai ben rio haba keren hang tigisngi uba Frederick Roy kharkungor laong ba ka de ka sien ka baning kong bala rakhe ka jan jatiya Gaurav Divas ban burom ka jingno sinyang jong ki jai ben rio lom
lo programa kerega programa kita ki lightly ki elbo language lineage ko kerega core identity jong jai ben rio jungi Khasi jentia kerega makabalai kerega language land lineage and language ika baron kama bangin concentrate bangin pilih jumut ungo mengila bangin penerus pa in penne pensa ya ka keting nuclear ya ka literature jungi
Ka Central Integrated Pest Management Center Shillong ne kasi kala play ka National Pest Surveillance System na kabenta ban pet ngori ki knyang jingpang hakathan ka jingthmu jo ka de program kalong ban bot dien ki jing sapryang jong ki knyang jingpang ban hi kai ki nong rep shapang ki rukom ya dan ki knyang ki be dei bat kamaryang bat ban thau yi ki lat ki lenti ban ya dan na ki knyang Ka office jong ka West Khasi Hills District Social Welfare ringkat ka jing snok tilang bat ka God's Dream Home Center kila rakik International Day for Older Persons lani ki briuk belakam rangba hakin shi ka phang pedeng jong ka ni ka jing rakik kalong aging with dignity ka bawan ra lang ya baro ki riu rangba jong ka ni ka than ban itho ya ka jing no sinyang jong ki bat la banru halor ka jing don kam ban buram ki Ka Shillong Lajong Football Club kan penkrea ika jing lekai bening kong ha ka I-League 8,000 arpusan Pershak Churchill Brothers ka mana Goa ka singi ublay ha SSA Stadium ka bah First Ground Shillong. Kani ka jing lekai kan sedang ha ka por nyo buje janmien. Ka Shillong Lajong Football Club ha po ka jing lam jong coach uba Bobby Lingdo Nongbet kala wan ha ka kerdan ka ba prana pedengki khatlai teliki kenhon ka ayom balala Henry Minta u coach patamai jong kani ka kinhon u Jose Carlos Rodriguez. Hevia u laong ba ka club kalak mi lenti. Panile kai bhabat ban yok bat ka kerdan ka bakli. Kani ka long ka thong jong kinong Krishan ka Shillong Lajong Football Club bat kumju kirang ile kai kani ka club. Tikumta u Rodriguez u lapen pau ka jing so scam ha kirang ile kai bikin pen I ka mansi mai kun ha kani ka limpong.
What I required them was to have at least one friendly match each week. And the club managed perfectly everything, and we had 12 friendly matches in all this time. So we could prepare everything. Obviously, we couldn't play against the strong teams, the strong clubs. However, we had the minimum level required to play against other clubs, other teams that make us to get better every day, to get better and to carry on with the preparation properly as we expected before.
Mentang ini pek ke jumlah zaman ke sebenarnya hanong ba Shillong ke jengkret ke long pra point san degree Celsius bagi jengkret ke long khat khandai point lai degree Celsius ke jeng skam kau hau ke long rio pusan nak si spa ha ke por men step bat pra pu wei nak si spa ke por jan mien kalak bendon ke jeng hap slap bat kalak ru bendon ke jeng dum ok khndo ke ba malu malah ki kat tu ke ni ke jaka Shillong Swaben pois bukut jeng tup ke bor yim pek biang sesi ni akimat pekongsan On yalam kaseng BJP na Meghalaya ya kikinhuan ban ya kendu yo menteri katana puli puthi ke sarkar pedeng Udhamendra Pradhan halor kikinrum kinram ha skol ba NEHU Kermen kaseng BJP ban yo ya ka jingjob ha ke election shiteng samoy ha Gambegre Bat pen krek ke Shillong Lajong ya ke jingile kai ke beding kong ke ID ke arhajar arpsau arpasan persya ke Churchill Brothers ha ke sniblay. Te perlo ke tungla poi sebukut jong tup kubor jingi meta ke janmit. Hadu bindi chem yang berpilih syai ke sini kublai pi baro.